students, in today's video I am going to take the topic oxyacids of phosphorus from second year P block. This is a very important section for the examination. So let's discuss it. For an easy way to study, it's divided into phosphorus, phosphoric and metaphosphoric acid. In phosphorus it has three divisions: hypophosphorus, orthophosphorus and pyrophosphorus acid. In phosphoric, it is divided into hypophosphoric, orthophosphoric and pyrophosphoric acid. And the third is metaphosphoric acid. It has no division. Its formula is HPO3 N times. So let's look at the divisions of phosphorus, that is hypophosphorus, orthophosphorus and pyrophosphorus acid first. The first one is hypophosphorus acid. Its formula is H3PO2 and it's also known by the name phosphinic acid. So let's look at the oxidation state of H3PO2. The oxidation state is 3 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 1. So the oxidation state of phosphorus is plus 1. The common thing in the oxyacids of all the phosphorus oxyacids of phosphorus is the P double bond O. This P double bond O is present for all the oxyacids of phosphorus. So first in this structure also we have to draw P double bond O. P double bond O. Then there is remaining one oxygen which we have to draw single bonded with the phosphorus, and in the remaining 3 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen should be put with the oxygen and the 2 hydrogen which is remaining is single bonded with the phosphorus. So this is the structure of hypophosphorus acid. So first we have to draw P double bonded O, then draw single bonded oxygen with the phosphorus, and the remaining 3 hydrogens are there. 1 hydrogen should be put with the single bonded oxygen and the remaining hydrogen should be single bonded with the phosphorus. In this structure there is 1 POH and a 2 pH bond. Since there is the presence of 1 POH bond, the basicity is equal to 1. The basicity is equal to 1 since there is only 1 POH bond and here is 2 pH bond. So this is the strongest reducing agent. Strongest reducing agent. So this much about hypophosphorus acid. Now let's study orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid by the formula H3PO3. It's also known by the name phosphonic acid. In hypophosphorus it was phosphinic acid and orthophosphorus it is phosphonic acid. Now let's check the oxidation state. The oxidation state is 3 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. So plus 3 is the oxidation state of phosphorus. Now let's draw the structure. First we have to draw the P double bond O. Now remaining 2 hydrogen which we have to draw single bonded with the phosphorus. Remaining 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen should put together with the oxygen and 1 single bonded with the phosphorus. So this is the structure of phosphonic acid or orthophosphorus acid. Here there is 2 POH bond. So the basicity is equal to 2. Basicity is equal to 2 because it has 2 POH bond. Now the next is pyrophosphorus acid. The formula is H4P2O5. First we have to take H3PO3. 2 molecules of orthophosphorus acid, and we have to remove 1 molecule of water from this. We will get pyrophosphorus acid. Now let's check the oxidation state. 4 plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3. Now let's draw the structure. Here there is 2 phosphorus, so we have to draw 2p double bond O. 2p double bond O. Remaining 3 oxygen is there. So 1, 2, and the third oxygen should be drawn like this, POP. 4 hydrogen is remaining. 1 hydrogen should be given here, and hydrogen here. The remaining 2 hydrogen should be drawn single bonded with the phosphorus. So this is the structure of pyrophosphorus acid. Here there is 2 POH bond and 2 pH bond and 1 POP bond. So POP bond is present in pyrophosphorus acid. Since there is 2 POH bond, the basicity is equal to 2. Now we have completed the divisions of phosphorus. Now let's study phosphoric. Divisions of phosphoric, that is hypophosphoric, orthophosphoric and pyrophosphoric acid. First one, hypophosphoric acid, formula H4P2O6. The oxidation state of phosphorus is 4 plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. So the oxidation state of phosphorus is +4. Now let's draw the structure of hypophosphoric acid. Here 2p is there, so we have to draw 2p double bonded O, remaining 4 hydrogen, remaining 4 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hydrogen remaining, 4 hydrogen. Then connect this P. This is the structure of hypophosphoric acid. Here there is 4 POH bond. So the basicity is equal to 4. Now the next one is orthophosphoric acid, formula H3PO4. Now let's check the oxidation state. 3 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to +5. So the oxidation state of P is +5. Now let's draw the structure. First we have to draw P double bond O, remaining 3 oxygen, single bonded with the phosphorus. Hydrogen we have to put it together with the oxygen. This is the structure of orthophosphoric acid. Here is 3 POH bonds, so the basicity is equal to 3. The next is pyrophosphoric acid and the formula is H4P2O7. In this we have to first take 2 molecules of H3PO4 and 1 molecule of water is removed from this. We will get pyrophosphoric acid or H4P2O7. Now let's check the oxidation state. 4 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. The oxidation state is +5. Now let's draw the structure. 2p is there, so 2p double bond O, remaining 5 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one should be drawn like this, POP. Now 4 hydrogen with the 4 oxygen. Here there is 4 POH bond, so the basicity is equal to 4. So it is equal to 4. This is the structure of H4P2O7 or pyrophosphoric acid. Now we have completed the divisions of phosphoric. Now the last one is metaphosphoric acid or HPO3 N times. Metaphosphoric acid or HPO3 N times, when we put the value for N as 3, it will become HPO3 3 times, and this is cyclic metaphosphoric acid. Now let's draw the structure of cyclic metaphosphoric acid. Here there is 3 phosphorus. You have to draw 3 phosphorus like this. The common thing is P double bond O. P double bond O. Now there is 6 oxygens remaining in this structure. So 3 oxygen, in that 6, 3 oxygen should be bonded like POP. POP, and the remaining 3 should be like single bonded with the phosphorus. And 3 hydrogen is there, which is put with the oxygens, which is single bonded to the phosphorus. This is the structure of metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid. Here there is 3 POH bond. 3 POH bond. POH bond is equal to 3. So the basicity is equal to 3. And there is also 3 POP bond. POP bond is equal to 3. This is the structure of cyclic metaphosphoric acid. Now we have completed all the oxy acids of phosphorus in P block. Hope you all like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is EC NEET. Thank you.